Welcome, welcome, one and all, to Faithfully Bearded YouTube. I'm Tyson. You know that. And if you've been following the channel, you know I have my bang. You know I have my coffee. Let me just grab a sip of this before we start this video here. Woo! I got it and I'm good. Welcome back. If you've been following along, you know that on the weekends, we find something from Amazon, we talk about it for a minute, show you what's in there, show you if you should buy it or not. But today, we're going to start something new. We're going to hit up some international companies. I think there's some good stuff international that we don't get a chance to explore as much because, I don't know, we just don't. There's a lot of great American companies, so we kind of stay here. But I ran across one international and I debated it with myself. Do I want to get a lawyer and get a lawsuit going, or do I just want to talk about it? I'm just kidding. All joking aside, there's a company overseas called ManMane, and you know my hashtag is the ManMane. So I saw a ManMane company overseas, and I was like, I gotta try them out. So I want to show you guys what's all about the ManMane. I haven't unboxed it yet. We're going to open it up and sniff it and see what it's all about here. So hit that subscribe button, that thumbs up button. Get some comments going, interact with each other's comments. Let's do this. Watch the intro. It's still not new. I know, I'm working on it. Watch that intro, and then we're going to get right back into this. Alright, so I got, it's an unboxing. I got my trusty old Hobby Lobby razor blade here. Let's just dig this thing open real quick. There's a lot of tape on here. I mean, this thing came international. It's come from a ways away. It made the trip across the, I guess, the pond, we would call it. It made the trip overseas. I'd love to tell you more about this company. I'll just link them down below because I really don't remember. International shipping can take a little bit. But I was intrigued because of the ManMane. ManMane. So it's called ManMane Botanicals. We're going to open it up here. Inside, we got a packing slip. So let me just rip this open. Let me get to the packing slip real quick. Here we go, packing slip. Holy moly. We got some paperwork here. We got a little packing slip, a little shipping slip of what I got. We got a business card. We got a thank you for your first order. Support is much appreciated. Some how to use the balms, how to use the oils. A promo code. Cheers. Okay, so some cool stuff. Promo code, cheers. They do their dates backwards. It says it's good until 34/19. So, April 30th, 2019. I'll just put this down below. I don't get any kickbacks on it, but they gave a coupon code. They don't even know I'm reviewing this. They just gave me a coupon code to come back for a second time. So, as you can see in here, we got this nice little wrapping paper with a sticker on it. Let's just dig that open here. We got bubble wrap. Got some bubble wrap. And then we have this guy right here. So this is a Kent shampoo brush. Alright, a Kent shampoo brush. This is like silicone. And, well, ooh, this might be nice. We're going to see how this works up in the beard in the shower. So we got a Kent shampoo brush. It's Kent. I mean, it's got to be good quality, right? It seems pretty good. Here's an oil. So this is what the oil comes in, this little baggie here. And then it comes in this little wrapper that's like labeled with ManMane Botanicals. So we'll just rip that open here. We'll open this up. You can see, here we go. Here it is. You got a yellow oil clear bottle and a ManMane label. So this is Citrus Grove. 100% natural, organic base ingredients, vitamin rich, 100% vegan. Let's see if there's keep out of reach of children. I like the childproof lock. Oh, it's a seal. Here we go. Let's just see what Citrus Grove smells like. Here you can see the oil more. Smells like citrus. Smells like citrus. Citrus. Next oil we grab here. Let's see what this one is. Let's see what this one is and what it's going to smell like. Let's see. We've got the same labeling here. Pretty cool. Same design on here. This one's called the Beacons. The Beacons. Let's see what it smells like. This is kind of woodsy to me. This smells like wood. Pretty close, pretty accurate with the wood. And then what do we have here? What is this? This is a Woody Hog Kent brush. Man, that's the thing about these international companies. Like, I order stuff and then I don't remember what I ordered. I ordered all this just because I saw the name. Here we go with this weird feeling Kent brush. But, I mean, it's Kent. It doesn't really pull or anything like that. Figure if it's Kent, it's got to be alright, right? So look at that. This is a Kent brush. Kent Woody Hog. Kent Woody Hog. What else we got in here? We got another oil. Let's see what this oil is. Let's check it out. Check out this oil here. This one's called Aromatic Bazaar. Let's just see this one. This seems kind of like barbershop scent to me. And then we have another oil here. This one's smaller. Maybe they didn't have it in a 2-ouncer. I don't know. But it's a little bit smaller here. Let's see what this is. This is like a 1-ounce oil. A huge dropper on it. Same dropper. This one's Artic Gale. Or Galley? Galley, maybe? It's international. Might be Galley. I say it's Gale, but it might be Galley. No, that's good. That's got a peppermint type scent. And then we got 4 tins, I suppose, matching. Jeez, get that stuff out of here. Now I got some desk space. So, yeah. So these are all the same scents. Here you can see this plastic wrapper they put across it. That's kind of cool packaging, if I might say. I mean, I see ManMane everywhere. So here's the tin. ManMane. I feel like this is crazy. So here we go with the balm. It's pretty white. And you get the smell coming right through. The smell comes right through. No, not overpowering on the balm. Super soft. Came out really easy. Super soft balm. I'm going to guess that it doesn't have a super strong hold, just as soft as it is. It wasn't like butter or anything, but I feel like this is going to be a softer hold balm. And it mixes up really nice. Put it in the beard here. This smells like spearmint to me in the beard. I like it. I like it. All right. So we'll have to see how that holds up. But you got ManMane. I'm interested. I had to buy them just because I was like, ManMane, that's my stick. That's my deal. That's what I do is ManMane. We hashtag the ManMane. Hashtag TGIB. You be you. So that's an inside look at ManMane here. ManMane company overseas. I had to try it out because of the name. But this is going to be a new international series. I'm going to find some stuff overseas that I think looks cool. Sounds cool. I'm going to buy it. I'm going to have it shipped over here, and I'm going to show you guys about it. Alright? That's what we're going to do on the weekends. So maybe I'll test this out today and tomorrow, and just let you guys know on Instagram. ManMane, good or bad? We'll let you know. Monday comes an unboxing. Brand new company next week. It's a company out of Canada. Ironically, they're not going into the international series because they're very present in the United States as well. And so stay tuned for that unboxing to find out which company we're doing Monday through Friday next week. But that is ManMane for today, part of the International Series. I'm glad you guys could join me. I hope you're all having a wonderful weekend. Stay blessed. Thank you guys all for the community. Brotherhood, sisterhood, we're all one and the same. We're all friends and we support each other in the art that we do, right? We're starting a movement. It's catching on. We support each other in everything that we do. I'm going to go watch some other YouTube videos and comment on them. And hopefully everybody else is doing that for us as well. So until the unboxing on Monday, or you see me on Instagram Live, drink your coffee, grab your bang, put something in your beard, and stroke that ManMane. God bless you all.